Hey, what's up everybody? Al Madrigal from the set of Lopez versus Lopez, and I'm a huge fan of this man holding a camera. And also, a lot of people know this, I'm half Mexican, half Sicilian. Mom's maiden name is Tarantino, so I'm very critical of Italian and Mexican food, two of the best foods. But you are in great hands when you're watching Vito's Italian Cucina. Watch it. The guy knows what he's talking about.
I have something excellent for you today. That's right. It's called Vito's Italian Tortilla. What? That's right. Vito's Italian Tortilla. What? I had to do it again. I'm going to tell you something. You're going to love this. Come on down here and see what I'm going to put together. Here's some mushrooms all cut up. Then we have, the favorite bacon. Now, you know, you got to cook the bacon and then chop it, of course. And then we have broccoli. What? Healthy? Woo, yeah, broccoli. Now, we have yellow bell peppers. And then we have some salsiccia that I made into little bitty balls. I cooked them first, of course. And then we have the pepperoni. And then over here, we have sauce. Your pizza sauce, your marinara, whatever you want to use. And then we have some beautiful Parmesan cheese right here. And then look at the cheeses I'm going to go ahead and put on here. That's right. We got provolone. We have a white cheddar. We have regular sharp cheddar. And then we have a mozzarella. And then over here, we have another cheddar. We're going to do 6 of these today. That's right, 6 of them. And look at this right here. We're going to use these tortillas. Look at these tortillas. These are the regular tortillas. You can get them at any grocery store. I love this. And look how thin they are. These things are so thin. You know what? When I lose weight, you know what? I'm going to look like this. In fact, I'm trying to get back to my original weight, 7 pounds, 6 ounces. Look at that. Look how gorgeous that is. The broccoli, the pepperoni, and the sausage. Look at that. This is beautiful.